Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to be opening up a no glue slime kit. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments right down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so in today's video for SlimeMas, we're going to be opening up this really cool slime set I got from Walmart. It's by Compound Kings. It's the mix and match squishy like slime kit. So let's get opening it.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we have it open. It looks like right over here. I don't really know what these are. So it comes with a bunch of these little powders. Are these like colorings or like, maybe the box really quick. The box probably says it all. Oh, these look like little slime packets you can make slime out of. So you just add water to these. So that's really cool to try out. It's kind of like a no glue slime recipe. It's kind of like a no glue slime package or like little kit. So if you guys want this, it's really affordable at Walmart. So here's a little slime add-ins. And then we have a bunch of glitter back here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these glitters are so pretty. That one's open, so I'm not going to take it out, but it's awesome. These would be really fun add-ins. Now let's actually get opening up the little slimes that come in here. Okay, so here's all the slimes we got in here. We got a bunch of these little mini ones, which are so cute. Look how cute these ones are. So we got those ones. We have a neon one, another neon one, another neon one. We got 3 fluffy ones. These ones are awesome. And we got these 2 little, like, 2 sets. We got a fluffy mash set and a neon mash set. And then we got these really cute little bottles. I guess this is how you make the powdered slime. So I'm absolutely going to try these out. Comes with 2 of them. And then I think these are like little containers you can put your slimes into, which is going to be fun to save for later maybe. So yeah, so let's first get opening up these little slime sets. Okay guys, so I just opened up all of them, and let's get showing you guys them. And when I was opening them, I could see that they're really sticky, so I grabbed some handy dandy borax activator to open them, wow, to add them in to make the slimes better. Also guys, if you didn't know, I'm going to be going to a slime convention next June in 2019, and this slime convention is near Boston, Massachusetts. So if you live near the Boston area or the New England area, please go get your tickets. They are only $10, and you can meet me, buy some slimes from me, meet a bunch of other slimers. So the link to that will be in the description box down below. So let's get opening up these slimes now. So these are extremely sticky. I didn't think they'd come this sticky, but I guess they did. That's okay, we'll try to fix them. Yeah, I'm gonna do all the fixing off camera. It's gonna be a little boring.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I just opened up all of these little slime kits, and the fluffy slimes, like these ones, they are not activating at all. So I don't really know what to do, but I'm just gonna show you guys a neon slime that came in this kit because the other ones are not working. So sorry about that. I have slime all over me from trying to activate the fluffy slime ones. So here is a little duo pack of the pink neon slime. And oh my gosh, it's so sticky. And the green slime. I kind of want to mix them together, but at the same time I don't. So maybe I should mix these together for you guys and show you them. So let's get doing that. Gosh, look at this color. It's such a weird color, guys. Look at this. It looks like a Coca-Cola color. It's like a really, really light pink with like a little bit of brown. It's such a weird color. So that's what these two slimes look like mixed together. It's kind of weird, but that's cool. Now here's the little ones that came in the kit. Here's the little pink one. This one's really nice too. Really suggest getting the neon ones though. Maybe the fluffy ones will work for you guys. They just didn't work for me, so that's about that. Here's the little yellow one. Also, they become completely melted, so little pro tip to you guys. If you don't have activator, probably just get some borax, laundry detergent, any type of activator. Don't use salt like I do in no glue slimes. The blue one's my favorite. It's so pretty. So yeah, so here's all the slimes, but now let's get trying to make some of the no glue slime that came in this kit. Okay, let's get making this now. So it says we need to fill water to the lime, which is right here. 1 powder packet, shake it, and 10 minutes for a perfect slime. Okay, let's make a blue one. I thought blue would be fun to make at first. So let's get out a little container. Also, sorry about the really shaky surface. That's my fault. So now let's get some water out. Just using bottled water. That's a little bit over, so. That looks about perfect. Now it said to add 1 powdered packet. Do they mean the entire thing? Okay, I'm just listening to what they're saying. Okay. Now close it. Now shake until it's mixed. Okay. I feel like it's already getting like oozy, so I'm gonna leave that right there. Now let's make another one really quick. Oh my gosh, these are so hard to get off. The powder goes everywhere. Okay, let's add the water again. It's not completely at the line, but that's okay. There we go. Now let's add a kind of want orange. Is this orange or pink? I don't know. It's kind of like a peach color. Reminds me of Peaky Babies. If you guys ever watched their YouTube channel. Okay. This one was so much easier to go in. Okay. Mix till it's all completely spread together. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna leave these here and do a little bit of a time lapse to see if anything happens. So let's get doing this.
2 hours later.
Okay, so it's finally been around 10 minutes. So let's first take the blue one out. I feel like, did anything even happen yet? Maybe you have to leave it in longer. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it here for a couple more minutes. I see the orange one. This one even happening. Ooh, orange looks really, really thick, and the lid was already a little off, so. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. You'll see this. Yep, I should have added more water. It would have made a super thick slime. It's like rubbery though, kind of like a putty. I don't know how to think about this one. Oh gosh. It's kind of weird, this one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to keep watching all the SlimeMas videos leading up to day 25, which I will announce the giveaway winner. Remember, all the rules will be in the description box down below. Also, if you want to buy tickets to come see me at Boston Slime Party, they'll be in the link down below too. They're super affordable, only $10. Check out all my social medias, my Etsy shop. I'm having a huge Christmas sale there. So yeah, bye guys, love you, in peace. Thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.